Yeah, so here we are. I think we are now 2 months since I haven't posted a video. Today I will not show any progress, but instead I will show the unboxing of the new bumpers I managed to order. I found them on a very, very good price. I will explain this during the video. The price, where I buy them from, delivery time, quality. I will evaluate them. I will evaluate them compared to the old bumpers, which had pretty much issues, but the material was quite strong, very good material. And yeah, so check it out. This one is just for unboxing, yeah? Right. So, go. So, the box is pretty good. We have inside the two bumpers and the front grillage. So, how do you call this area of the car? So, let's see. It was transported as fragile with special deliveries. For this, I want to thank the company, rpiece.ro. I will post the link for the company because I think that they did a really good job in customer service, preparation, delivery time, everything. They were super professional. So yeah, I will place a link with the site. I think they will deliver it also everywhere around Europe. I'm not sure. But yeah, you can always contact them and ask them a question. So let's see what is inside. With the carriers in Romania, you always need to be careful, even if it's fragile transport or so on. They usually don't give a fuck. So I really hope that everything is fine. The box is hit a bit over here, or maybe it was just packed like that. We will see that as we progress. Now, the box would have been better one. Let's see what it has inside for protection. Outside, I would say that they could have found a better box. But one, as I said, I'm very satisfied with the company and the way they treated my order. The parts are not original OEMs. I even doubt that Renault is still producing originals or that anyone still has them. So I'm very anxious to see the quality of the material and if it's as strong as the original one was. You know, I never have a cutter when I need it. I never find my tools when I really need them. So let's see. It seems to be an issue, like they put two boxes together and that's why it's great. I hope that the parts are fine. Even if they are not fine, I really hope that either the carrier or the company will change them for me. But yeah, hopefully it's all fine. Let's see. Important here. So once again, I highlight the packaging is not the best. I really hope that being transported as fragile make the carrier look more careful of them. But the carrier we use, not the best. Many of companies are using this carrier, but I'm never happy with the way they deliver. So in this case, I couldn't pick the carrier was picked by the company delivering the parts. So, one in one, packaging is poor. They should have put some bubbles inside or whatever. Additionally, I haven't received, or did I? Yes, I did. Yeah. So, packaging is super poor. They put nothing inside, they just drop them here. They don't seem to be broken, but this is not how you should pack fragile things like this one. It's in the end an aspect part on which whatever scratch can be an issue. So, once again, not happy. Let's go inside. So, the rear bumper seems to be fine. It's Slight scratch over here, but nothing to worry about. Another scratch over here. This coloration, this is a normal aspect. I used to work in injection, it's a normal aspect of recycled material, which I was expecting. No breakages, fixing point seems to be fine. Injection points are horrible. And let's see if we can find the injection bit. No, we cannot. Yeah, grinded. This is also a sign of a very old mold, so they need to grind manually to remove the bore. 1-in-1, yeah, alright, not best. Let's see the other one. Take a bit more because they put also the front grillage inside. So yeah, and also I think there we can see here who produced the car. Here we can see anymore. Let's give it a front here. So they are producing Italy. Yeah, producing Italy and ordered to a Greek site. I just post a picture for you with this one. Maybe it could have somebody. Good. Let's see. Yeah, that's a effect much better. Just to accommodate on grillage. Of course, you see the video. I don't know. Let's see the front one. It once again appears to be intact. By intact, I mean no breakages. But yeah, we will see about the scratches. So it does break. That's good. No injection information around here, surprisingly. Yep. Nothing break. Much better condition than the rear one. Much better. So no scratches, no nothing. Anyhow, I think it's looking great. And the front grillage, how the fuck do you call it? Looking good. I'm not sure, wasn't it the sign on the right side? Strange to me to be here on the left. Ah, yeah, it's like that, okay. Then that's on the right side. Good. So let's see them all together. Yeah, also a bit of a difference in the color between front and rear. Not that much, it might be how the light is falling down. But 1-in-1, I'm happy. One in one, I can say that, yeah, The acquisition was a good one. The parts arrived in pretty perfect condition. Some small scratches on the rear bumper. Unfortunately, the texture you see on it, it's very, very hard to fix it. I must say that they don't have the fixation system. I was not expecting it to have it. I must say that the material is not that thick as the original one, and it seems to be more plastic than fiber with plastic, what it was in the original. I'm just looking on the original, that's why you see my eyes over there. But yeah, let me show you a bit of details of the bumpers, and then I will put a link down here where I buy them from. And all in all, although the packaging was poor, I recommend the company. I paid roughly 40 euros per one, even less, like 35 euros per one, yeah, and 30 euros for transport because they came like from 400 kilometers away in one package. So 100 and maybe 10 euros all together. Two bumpers, front rear, the grille, what the fuck do you call this? Yeah, you can see it. Transport included. So I think it's a really good deal. I will try to get from these guys also two headlights. You've seen in my previous clips how I refurbish my headlights, but nevertheless brand new would look better. Also turn indicator for the front. I found on this company the rear lamps as well, but a bit too expensive, like 20 euro each. I find it a bit too much for my needs, but still I will think about it. So see you, I think in like 2 weeks, we will see the final paint of the car. And then in, let's say 4 weeks time, we will see how we start assembling it. Bye.